Now to fold a puzzle purse. The first step is to print from the PDF file. You can use regular copy paper. Make sure the scale is set to 100% in your print dialog. We're going to print this file double-sided. If your printer doesn't have that feature, you can manually flip the paper and print one page of the PDF at a time. Trim your Valentine to a square. You can use a paper trimmer, scissors, or a ruler and a utility knife. If you printed the blank puzzle purse, you can add your own message to the front and the back of the design before you begin folding. With the inside of the design facing up, fold the paper into thirds. The edge of the paper should line up with the pink square in the middle. This equals about 2.5 inches if you want to be super precise. Turn the paper and fold into thirds again. With the inside of the design still facing up, fold the paper diagonally. Turn and fold diagonally in the opposite direction. Now, flip the design over so the outside is facing up. Taking the lower left corner to the top left corner of the pink square in the middle, creasing along the diagonal. Repeat, moving anti-clockwise to each corner, folding diagonally. Take the upper right corner and pinch it with your right hand, and the lower left corner with your left hand. Holding both corners, twist gently until a pinwheel forms. This step is a little tricky, but you will see the oranges and pears meet in the center. Let's see that one more time. As you pinch the two corners, push the center square against a flat surface as you twist to help the pinwheel form. Taking the lower arm, fold up towards the center and repeat, folding the left arm in and the top arm down. For the last arm, you will gently tuck it under the first arm, making a small square. You're all finished. Admire your work. The blank file can be customized as a personalized love note, a bridesmaid's proposal, or even an actual marriage proposal. Whatever you dream up, you can create.